Hi friends! Understanding drawdown rules is crucial for traders to ensure effective risk management. Just as professional gymnasts train with a safety net, Forex traders must monitor drawdown conditions to stay in the game and keep winning. Let's discuss the two key drawdown conditions that every trader should follow to maintain their challenge and achieve success. Firstly, the maximum overall loss represents the total permissible loss in an account. Imagine you start your journey with $100,000 initial balance. The maximum allowable overall loss is $8,000, equating to 8% of your initial balance for our account types, i.e. 2-Step Pro and 2-Step Prime. Exceeding this overall loss means the challenge is not met. The maximum allowable overall loss is $6,000, equating to 6% of your initial balance of our account types, i.e. 1-Step Pro and 1-Step Prime. Exceeding this overall loss means the challenge is not met. Next up is the maximum daily loss, a restriction on daily trading losses. For example, we have a maximum daily loss limit set at 5% of your account's previous day's closing balance. This means that regardless of market conditions, your potential loss for any given day is capped at 5% of the account's previous day's closing balance, providing an added layer of risk management and protection for your account. Let's say your account's closing balance on the previous day was $110,000. Since the maximum daily loss is calculated based on the previous day's balance, therefore the limit for the next day will be 5% of $110,000, which is $5,500. Alright friends, that's all for now. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.